Hi guys! Thank you so much for clicking on my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you're a regular, thank you so much for always watching and commenting. Today I am sharing with you my Spring Has Sprung splatter screen wreath. Most everything came from Dollar Tree. I did pick up the little mason jar sign at Dollar General. So it has been raining a lot here lately, so I am ready to see some beautiful spring flowers and cheerful colors. So if you would like to see how I made this splatter screen wreath, keep watching. For this wreath, you will need one splatter screen, and I removed the knob on it, and it's from Dollar Tree. You will need 6 floral picks. You will need some paint, a sponge paintbrush, some ribbon with wire, pipe cleaner, zip tie, floral stem wire, your scissors, wire cutters, and a cute sign. First, you will want to remove the knob and paint your splatter screen. And then you'll set your splatter screen aside and let it dry. And it does take quite a bit of time for the splatter screen to dry. The paint I am using is acrylic paint. It's by Craft Smart, and it's the color Island Blue. And I just did 1 coat of paint on this splatter screen and let it dry. The paint does not have to be perfect because we're adding flowers, a bow, and a sign. So just give it time to dry. I picked up all 6 of my floral picks at Dollar Tree. And you can screenshot the tags in the next picture if you would like. First, you will want to fluff your flowers, and I'm starting with the taller or longer picks first because I want them in the back. So I'm just fluffing the taller ones first and layering them on top of each other. And you'll want to have a zip tie close by. So this is a very simple wreath to make, and it looks so pretty, and it looks like you spent a lot of money on it, but it's really very inexpensive to make. So just make sure you fluff all your flowers. Make sure you're putting the taller ones in the back. And then zip tie the little bouquet of flowers together. Make sure you get the zip tie nice and tight around your flowers, and then cut off the extra part of the zip tie. Next, I'm tying a bow. Let out a tail, make your first loop, go the opposite side, try to make a loop the same size as your first loop. I'm just making a double bow here, so just continue back and forth, trying to make the loops the same size on each side until you get the bow the size you want, and then let out a tail, and you'll want to either have some floral stem wire or a pipe cleaner close by, and this burlap ribbon did come from Dollar Tree. Make sure you wrap the wire tightly around the center of the bow and leave the wires long. If you want to dovetail the ends, fold the ribbon in half with the edges to the left, go to your folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V. So fold your ribbon in half with the edges to the left, go to the fold and cut away from your fold, and then you'll want to fluff your loops on your bow. I picked up the little mason jar sign at Dollar General for $1, and I just hot glued a pipe cleaner to the back of it so I can attach it to my splatter screen. And this is how the splatter screen looks when it's dry. And now I'm just taking my bouquet of flowers and placing it on the left side, and I'm taking some floral stem wire and I'm going to wire the flowers onto the splatter screen. So just take your wire, thread it through the splatter screen on each side of your flowers, then go to the back and give the wire a few twists and cut off the extra part of the wire and fold it down. And you'll want to add 2 wires so that your bouquet does not move. Next, you're ready to add your bow. So just go above the wire that you used to attach your bouquet and thread your wires for your bow through the splatter screen on each side of your flowers, and then go to the back and give the wires a few twists, cut them off, and fold them down. And this is how the wreath looks with the pretty flowers and bow. And I just love the way the splatter screen looks with the blue paint. Next, I'm adding my Love is Sweet in a Garden sign from Dollar General. You're going to take your pipe cleaners and you're going to thread them through the splatter screen. Now you'll want to use the cheap, inexpensive pipe cleaners for this wreath because it's hard to thread the thick, fluffy ones through the splatter screen. So just use the cheap pipe cleaners, thread the pipe cleaners through the screen, then go to the back and give the pipe cleaner a few twists, and then cut off the extra part of the pipe cleaner and fold it down. Now you're ready to fluff your flowers and shape your flowers, and make sure you also refluff your loops on your bow. And then to hang the splatter screen wreath, I usually take a piece of wire and I thread it through the top of the splatter screen, give the wires a few twists and make a loop, and then that's how I hang the wreath up. I have less than $10 in this Spring Has Sprung splatter screen wreath. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just click the subscribe button below the video on the right. And if you want notifications, just click the bell and YouTube will notify you when I upload a tutorial. I would really appreciate it if you would leave me a comment below. It really helps my channel to grow, and helps me also to get noticed by YouTube. So thank you so much.